Okay, apologies for this being late. I know I posted the exercises a while ago. The videos should have been up by now, but I lost this resource. No, I didn't lose it. I put it in another question paper that I want to do, the May June one, and and I didn't know that it was inside it. I forgot. So let's get started on this activity. Table 1 below shows the number of learners and educators in public schools and also learners and educators in public and private schools by province in 2017. Okay, so we have provinces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that one is, I think that one's a mistake there. So there's 9 there. Oh, make sure you don't make that mistake. That one there seems to be a mistake. Okay, so in Free State, in the public and private schools, learners in public and private schools, there we go, 1,795,563. I think the best way I like to do this, read them from right, one by one, and say that's 3, that's 63, that's 563, right? And then I say that's 5, that's 95, that's 795. So I know that this is 795,563, right? And then the one that comes next is 1,000,000. The space is million, 795,500. Or I just say 563, 5,563, and that helps me know that that is 1,000 there, and then that's 95,563. That is 795. See, there's 3 numbers: 795, 795. Then that is, of course, 1,563, and that is 1, since that's 1, and then that's million. That's 795. I know because this one is 1,000, therefore the next gap will be a million, and the next gap will be a billion. So if you struggle with knowing whether it's million, okay, if you struggle identifying whether a number is a million or a billion, what you do is you go to the first space here, or after 3 numbers from the beginning, and you say that's 1,000. That's just after 100, so that's 1,000. The next one will be next space will be million, or after the next 3 numbers, that will be million, and then the next one will be billion. That's how you make it easy for yourself, and then you just read it from there. So we're going to go and look at the spaces and say this space here is the first one, so it's 1,000, and the next one is million, and there's nothing after that. Okay, so we know there's 1,000 and million, right? So this one is 1, this is 71, this is 871, this is 4,871, this is 14,871, it's still 14,871, then it's 7,014,871. See? All right, so the first question says calculate the value of A. That's fine, which is the number, even though we're not given the total. In order to get A, we don't have the total, so we can't say 21.5% times the total, because the total also includes A. The total where they found 21.5% also includes the all 9 of them, not excluding A. So if we take the total of all of these 8 and multiply it by 21.5%, A is going to be incorrect. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the total of all 9 and say the total of all 9 is less by this number. So it doesn't have the 21.5%. So it has been decreased, like a discount. It has been decreased by 21.5%. So I'm going to add all these numbers first. Total of others. So I'm going to find what the total is of the other numbers, right? So total of 8 provinces. So I'm going to say 63,459 plus 23,590 plus 88,599 plus 37,500 585. Then I double check if I copied all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I double check if I copied all of them, right? 6, 3, 4, 5, see? 9. I already made a mistake there. Plus 23590, yes. Plus 88599, yes. Plus 53736, yes. 34546, 10233, 28233, and 3585. Okay, I copied them all right. Then I'm gonna add them together. I'm gonna do it twice. If I get the same answer twice, then I'll know I did it right. I added them correctly. So I'm gonna add them now. I'm gonna say, so I'm not going to use the one that I copied just in case I was lazy to truly check. I'm gonna use that one. 63,459 plus 37,585. So the total of all of these is 339,980. Right, so this is just for 8 provinces. So this number was decreased by a number that I don't know, but I know that it was decreased by 21.5%. It was decreased by 21.5%. So I need to bring back the 21.5%. So this is like when it was decreased with a discount, and then now you need to put it back, right? Okay, so what we said here when we were decreasing it, we said 100% minus 75%, minus 21.5%, and then we are going to get 78.5%. So this one is 78.5% of the total, right? So what I'm going to do then is to put it back, I'm going to say 339,980 divided by 78.5%. First step is I'm going to first write this properly, which is 78.5% is 78.5 over 100, which is 0.785. Okay, so 339,980 divided by 0.785, and that'll give us 43309.5.5414. I'm not going to round off because I'm not done. And then I'm saying this is the total of all these provinces. So now I've got the total of 9. Right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the total of 9 minus the total of 8. So this one is 433,095.5414 minus 339,980 minus 339,980, and that is 93,115.54. Obviously there's no such thing as a 0.54 school, and therefore I'm just going to say 93116. So as you can see, it's really high up there. It's the highest number, and the percentage is also the highest percentage. That one was a nice one. Determine the probability of randomly selecting a province with less than 8% of the total learners in public and private schools. Give the answer as a simplified fraction. Okay, so we're going to determine the probability of selecting a province with less than 8% of the total learners. A province with less than 8%, so we're using percentage of learners are this side, so we're using this part, and in public and private sectors, schools. Give the answer. Okay, the percentage of selecting a learner, of selecting a province, percentage of selecting a province from all of these with less than 8%. So I'm just going to look at that. So that would be this one, 1, 2, no, that one's above 3, or 2, 3, or there's 3 out of 9. Okay, so the answer there is in 2.2, the answer is 3 probability. Oh God, it's so messy. 2.2 probability is equal to 3 out of 9. Now how to simplify it? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try 1. If I say 3 divided by 1, it's going to stay 3. So that's not going to work. If I say 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 gives me a comma. So that doesn't work as well. So I'm going to say 3 divided by 3, and that gives me 1. Now I have to do it here. It has to not give me a comma on both. So I'm going to say 9 divided by 3, and I get 9 divided by 3, and I get 3. So this one is 1 over 3 as a simplified ratio. Fraction.